This is how you're going to use Data Import Wizard in Salesforce. The Data Import Wizard streamlines the upload process and is accessible from the Setup menu. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to navigate to Setup, which is the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen right here. Now, once you click on that, you're just going to click on Open Advanced Setup, and then we're going to wait for this page to load. Now, from the Advanced Setup, you're going to find the Quick Find box, which is right here at the top. And then you're just going to search for Data Import Wizard, and then you will be able to find it under Integrations. So you're just going to click on Data Import Wizard, and then we're going to click on Import My Data. You're then going to follow the step-by-step screen to choose the object, what you are importing, like leads, and the desired action, which is, for example, updating existing records. And then from there, you're just going to configure settings, set any matching criteria, assignment rules, and trigger workflows. Now, I'm just going to walk you through this. I'm going to click on Start from here, and then from here, we're going to select what we want to import. So if you want to import leads, contacts, accounts, campaign members. So for this one, I'm just going to click on Contacts, and then from there, we're going to click on Next. And then from here, you're just going to select who are your contacts, individuals. So you're just going to have to fill out all of these. Just make sure that you choose the right file that you want to import. And then from there, just make sure that you have a CSV file. By the way, you're going to click on Upload Files next. And then as you can see here, I have my CSV file. I'm just going to click on that and then hit on Open. Now, this will be imported into our data. And then from there, we're going to click on Next. And then Salesforce is going to read all of the data that is in our CSV file. So from there, we're just going to choose which field this one will go to, and then just finish adding fields into these. So you're just going to choose whatever you want. Just make sure that it actually fits the description that you want. So they have here a lot of options, and then you can also add a new field if you want. Like, for example, you want to add a new field, just click on that, and it will take you to this Object Manager setup, wherein you can create a new custom field. Now we're going to head back, and then we're just going to finish filling out all of these details. And then after that, you're just going to make sure that everything is matched. And then after that, you're just going to click on Import, and then that's done. And that is how you're going to use Data Import Wizard in Salesforce. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.